Welcome to Learn and Draw. I am Anup Desai, working as lecturer. In this video, we learn to draw a 3D model using Solid Edge software. For more videos on 3D modeling, support me by subscribing to my channel. Now let's start drawing. For the 3D modeling, so among these options, so we have to select here first the solid part. So we get the screen like this. Okay, so let's see the question here. This is the front view and bottom is the top view. So from here you can see, first let's draw the bottom part. Okay, so bottom part has the height of 30 mm and it has the length of 100 mm. Okay, and it has the width of 50 mm. So let's first draw this bottom part. So to do that, we have to select here protrusion. Okay, so then top plane. So let's select this top plane. So here we have to draw the part. Okay, so let's draw this rectangle first. So the rectangle has the, from the top view we can see that it has the length of 100 mm and the height of 50 mm. So let's draw this. So here first select here among these options rectangle. Okay, so then let's draw the rectangle somewhere like this. Okay, so next step is, so select here the connect option and then select the center of this and connect this with this axis. Okay, so next step is to select this collinear part and then select this one and make collinear with this plane. Okay, so next select the smart dimensions, then take this one. The, as we know, the length is 100, so type 100 and press enter. Okay, so next select this line, height width is 50, type 50 and press enter. Okay, so next is press return here. Okay, so as we can see from the question, the height is 30 mm, so here type 30 and then press enter. Okay, so we get this. So next here we have to select here finish. Okay, so now we have completed the bottom part. So next one is, let's draw the top part here. Okay, as you can see the top part, how much will be the height here? The height is nothing but 105 minus 30, so that is, we get it as 75 mm. Okay, so the height of the top part is 75 mm. So to draw this, first draw this rectangle here up to this axis line and then draw the arc. Okay, so as you can see, what will be the height of this one from the bottom of the top part and to the axis line? So it will be 105 minus 30 minus this top part, that is minus 25. Okay, so let's first draw this. For that, here select here protrusion. Okay, so next we have to select here front plane. Okay, so from the front plane, let's again do the same thing, that is select here rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. Okay, so next is, we'll select here connect option. Okay, so we'll connect the center of this with this one. Next again select here collinear, then select this line and collinear with this line. Okay, as we can see, next is select here the smart dimension, then select this line. So what will be the length? So as you can see, the length will be 105 minus 30 and minus this top part, that is 25. So here type 105 minus 30 minus 25. Okay, so we get this as 50. Next, what will be this one? So this line will be equal to 50, right? So here again select the smart dimension. So this line length is 50, then press enter. Okay, so next is we have to draw the arc. Okay, for that here select the tangent arc and then select this line and connect this with the this line. Okay, so to avoid the mistakes, as you can see, we should clearly connect this. Okay, so next is select the trim option and trim this part, right? Next is we have to draw a hole here. Okay, so the hole is a circle of diameter equal to 30 mm. So next is select here circle. Okay, so it will be at the center of the arc as well. So just take this and move over this arc, so you'll get the center point. So in this center point, so we have to draw a circle of diameter equal to 30, then press enter. Okay, so next is press here return option. Okay, so next, what is the width? So what is the width here? As you can see, the width from the top view, it is 30. So here distance, take this as 30, then press enter. Then here press finish. So now this is the three-dimensional model of this machine component. Next is we have to convert this into two-dimensional model. So for that, first let's save this file. Select here save option, then press OK. Okay, so in the desktop, let's make a folder as 3D model. So in this 3D model, let's make this as model 1, then press save. Okay, so now the document is saved. Next is let's convert this into two dimensions. For that, here select here create drawing, then press enter. Okay. Okay, so now press next option. Here select front, then next. So this is the front view, we want the front view. Next, top view, we want the top view. Next, we want the isometric view, then press finish. Okay, so then press this here, right? So next is select here the fit option. Okay, so we want this in the A4 sheet. So what we will do is right click this sheet setup, make this A4, unclick this show background, save defaults and press OK. So we get the figures like this. So after adjusting the views, next is let's name these parts. Okay, so for that select the text option. So we can name this as front view. So this is top view and this is isometric view. Okay, so we can also name the dimensions. So you can see we can select here smart dimensions and also we can name these dimensions. So after naming all the dimensions, this completes the three-dimensional view of the object and converting this into the two dimensions. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos on engineering drawing, subscribe to my channel.